Today I'm going to talk about something very important about the animal cruelty. Many animals suffer every day, not just from the violence, but also from neglecting and abandoning them. Understanding these forms of abuse, which helps us protect them to the very much extent. First, the animal abuse. The animal abuse first comes the physical abuse. Okay, this is when someone intentionally hurts an animal, like hitting, kicking, and burning, and forcing them into a fights. It causes pain, fear, and serious injuries, right? Like, as what we think is that we can, they are also some kind of life of being in this earth. It's not only us who we are living in the earth, it's them also. We should also give them their space, their freedom, and the rights to live in this earth. It's not just humans. Just because our population is more higher or most of the all animals, that doesn't mean we have right over the earth to live, right? And hurting other animals, we can't just treat them like they are some kind of non-living being. Then they are not objects. They are not. And it has no such points, and there is no such rights or act that has given that we can use them however we want. We can just exploit them to very much extent. There is no rights such also. So either way, we should be knowing even more. I'll be telling in depth. Whereas the second one is neglect. Neglecting, this happens when an owner that falls to provide, when it fails to provide a basic needs that an animal or any kind of living organism should be needed, such as food, shelter, and water, and some freedom to live in their own space, and medical care, much more, because every living being or every living organism in the earth needs a medical care in one or certain way. And then, even though it is not intentional, the animal still suffers. Neglect often leads to hunger, and hunger, dehydration, and diseases and emotional stress. For example, we all think we can grow dogs. There is no problem. We can grow all kinds of pets. We can grow even the wild animals also. But it also needs a proper care, a proper food, a proper shelter, and a proper hydration of your body. And also the love. The love. If you're keeping an animal in a house, it's no problem, but they should be like they should like to live with you. You should not force them to live with you. They should choose you, not the other way around. Just like that, if you want to keep a bird, you leave the bird out of the cage and see. If it's like to live with you, then it's absolutely fine. If it's not, let it fly and go. Why do you want to intentionally keep them in the cage when it has interest in living with you? Why are you forcing them to not, like, think about it? Just like if we humans, if we give birth to a young child, that child, we would give so much of love, care, food, and everything. And at the end of the day, it's left to them if they want to live with us or not. Exactly. The same thing goes for animals also. Animals are also one side such type of creatures. It doesn't matter whether reptiles, mammals, or whichever species they are. It just does not matter at all. All it matters is that what we can provide to them and what they want from us. That's all. If they don't want to be exploited for any kind of use, or if they have no intention of living with us, then why do we have to force them? Let them live in their own habitat. Or, for example, even I also have a dog, but I'm not forcing him to be with me. I just open this chain, I just leave him, let you go wherever you want, let you do whatever you want. It's if you want to go out and speak to other dogs and come, it's fine. There's no problem with that. That's all. Just like that, you should know how to grow an animal. If you don't know, then don't grow at all. Just for a showpiece, why do you want to keep? They are not some kind of objects. You can just keep them, throw them wherever you want. They have feelings, they also have a life, they also have a heart, and they also have a senses. So we should give them enough freedom to choose what they want, not what we want. Okay? So if I'm not being too judgy, but this is a reality. Many of them think I'm speaking very rude, but I don't care literally. What I'm trying to say is a very simple thing. If you can't take care of a living being, then don't take care at all. Don't keep them at all. If you then don't hurt any animal because just because you are superior than me. Okay? Nobody is superior in the earth except the nature. Nature is superior than all the living beings in the world. I'm telling you. Animals, nature, we human beings are also one kind of animal. That doesn't mean we can hurt anyone, and we have choices. Whereas for the animals, they don't have choices. Wild animals, they have to hunt. Just like we, our teeth are not similar. We can't eat the meat as raw as animals eat, or lion or tiger or any carnivorous animal eat. So think about it. The food choices we make also matters a lot. Just because hen can't fight back, or just because goat or sheep can't fight back, or just because the cows or buffaloes or any kind of cattle they can't fight back, that doesn't give a right for us to hurt them and exploit them for any kind of products that they can produce for us. Not for us, it's for them. It's for the babies they produce, not for us. Okay, so I'm a vegan, and I'm not I don't want to show peace to anyone that I'm a vegan. Being a vegan, it should come from within. It should come from within. When you see, when you understand the reality every single day, you will understand why I turned into vegan. Just think a lot, see a lot, observe. Don't just hear, don't just speak. We have to observe the surroundings. If you think, okay, milk ಕುಡಿತಾರೆ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ, ನಾನು ಕುಡಿತೀನಿ, ವಾಸ್ ಯೂಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹಳ್ಳದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೀಳ್ತಾರೆ, ನೀರು ನಾವು ಹೋಗಿ ಬೀಳದ? Just think about it. Everybody does, that doesn't mean we also have to do, right? I think society nowadays they are just going however everybody does. Trend follow करते हैं सब लोग. Everybody does the trending. I think even though I'm born in this generation, I don't think I would fall into their standards or their trends. I'm telling. That's the only thing that I neglect a lot from others. We should make our choices very clear and understandable, and also wise and smarter. That's more important. Okay, then for today, I think we have learned a lot, and I think I've shared some of my knowledge with you guys. And so, yeah, we'll see you next video. Till then, bye bye.